to redeem a Steam game key on PC. This tutorial shows you how to activate a product key and get your game added to your library in just a few steps. First, open the Steam app on your PC and sign into your account. If you don't have Steam installed yet, download it from the official website at store.steampowered.com and create an account before getting started. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of the Steam client window. From there, click on Add a Game to open a small pop-up menu with a few options. After that, select Activate a Product on Steam from that list. At this point, a new window will open. Click Next to proceed. Following this, you'll be shown the Steam subscriber agreement. Read through it and click I agree to continue. In the next step, you'll see a text field where you can enter your key. Go ahead and type or paste your game key into that field. Once you've entered it, click Next to submit the key. From here, Steam will verify the key and show you the name of the game it's linked to. Click Next once more to confirm the activation. After this, the game will be added to your Steam library automatically. You'll be able to see it there right away. Head over to your library, find the game in the list, and click on it. Finally, hit the Install button, choose your installation preferences, and Steam will begin downloading the game to your PC. Once the download is complete, just click Play and you're good to go. That's everything you need to redeem a Steam game key. Straightforward once you know where to look. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe for more PC and Android tutorials, and turn on notifications so you catch the next upload. See you then.